you kids? So this is your Anshika ma'am, है ना? Today I am going to tell you about the rhyming words. ठीक है? In the previous classes also I had already explained you about it, but some students had done mistake. See, when you form a what is the rhyming word? Suppose क्या? My name is Anjana. So what will be the rhyming word? Anjana, Ranjana, Sanjana, Kanchana, which having the same ending sound. जिसका ending sound similar रहता है, that are called rhyming words. Got it, children? Listen to me very carefully. अब इसका ये मतलब है ना कि बच्चे कुछ भी you children have made any word. Rhyming words which you will make, है ना? This should have a proper meaning. उसका एक proper meaning होना चाहिए. अंजना, रंजना, संजना, कंचना कुछ भी बना सकते हो, ठीक है? But it is a name, so it doesn't matter कि उसका meaning निकलेगा कि नहीं. But come to this point. Rhyming words. बाबू पास आना. Rhyming. What is the meaning of rhyming words, beta? Same ending sound. What is ending sound? जिसका लास्ट का जो साउंड है वो सिमिलर होना चाहिए. सिमिलर एंडिंग साउंड और एग्जैक्टली द सेम साउंड. अब आ जाओ हिंदी में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन हिंदी ताला, माला. अब कोई फाला भी लिख देगा, वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. फाला इज नॉट अ वर्ड, है ना? आपको वही वर्ड लिखना है जिसका मीनिंग भी निकलता हो. ताला यू नो ऑलरेडी, माला यू ऑल्सो यू नो ऑलरेडी, है ना? ताला मीन्स क्या होता है पता है सबको, और माला मीन्स क्या होता है ये भी पता है. बट ताला, माला, अगर मैं कुछ बच्चों को सम चिल्ड्रन हैज रिटन फाला, इट इज नॉट अ राइमिंग वर्ड. राइमिंग वर्ड्स वो होता है जिसका मीनिंग निकलना चाहिए. इट शुड हैव द सम मीनिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मटका, मटका यू नो, झटका. पटका थोड़ी लिख दोगे. यू हैव टू राइट ओनली दोस, वो वाला शब्द लिखना है तुमको जिसका मीनिंग निकलता हो. मंगल, जंगल, टंगल थोड़े हो जाएगा. टंगल विल बी रॉन्ग. मंगल, जंगल, मटका, झटका, ताला, माला. See, in all these words, what you have noticed, children? You notice that all these words are ending with the similar sound, है ना? आप लोग को सबको क्या पता चल रहा है? ताला, माला, काला, ये हो सकता है. लेकिन मटका, झटका, है ना? What you have noticed कि इसका जो एंडिंग साउंड है वो सिमिलर है. और सिमिलर के साथ साथ सेकेंड वर्ड मैम ने क्या बताया, उसका मीनिंग भी रहना चाहिए. कुछ भी नहीं बना दोगे. ये तुम लोग को ऑलरेडी रीचा मैम पढ़ा चुकी है बेटा. जिसका सेम एंडिंग साउंड हो दैट इज कॉल्ड समान लय वाले शब्द. In Hindi and English it's called rhyming word. Now come to this point. दिख रहा है क्या आपको? GOAT. देखो अच्छे से थोड़ा क्लियर लो सामने से. सामने से लो. GOAT. goat. What is the meaning of goat? Children, you already know बकरी in Hindi. That is called goat. अब कोई बोल देगा मैम rhyming word goat, moat, soat, road. No, it should have that word which should have some meaning. Goat. What will be the rhyming word of goat? BOAT. Boat. You know the meaning of boat, children? You already know ना? Now जिसमें जो पानी में नाव रहता है ना, जिसमें हम लोग बैठ के इस तालाब से इस साइड से कभी वहां गए हो तालाब में. Another word is cat. CAT, cat. Cat, sat, bat. See, all these words are having similar ending sound. At. Cat means you already know. Sat, bat. What is face? This is your face. And what is the rhyming word of face? Race. है ना? See, in this also is, in this also is. Face, race. HOT, hot. POT, pot. Hot, pot. अब short थोड़े लिख दोगे. Some students has written anything. कुछ भी लिख दिया है, पूरा wrong है वो. ठीक है? You have to write only those words which should have some meaning. I am telling you again and again. That is BEE. B means Madhumakhi. C. C means देखना. तो बेटा आपने rhyming word मतलब क्या समझा? Those which are having the similar ending sound. First thing. Second thing, जो भी आप word बनाओगे ना children, उसका एक मीनिंग होना चाहिए. कुछ भी नहीं बना दोगे. ठीक है? In your English book, so beta in your English book, there are some word has been given, and with that word you have to make another rhyming words. है ना? First word is MEET, meat. What will be its rhyming word? Meat. What will be its rhyming word? Second one is PEEL, peel. Peel I have already taught you in the previous class. Peel means chilka. So what will be the rhyming words of peel? Feel, meet, feet. Deep, DEEP, deep. What will be the rhyming word? Weep. Weep means Rona. WEEP, whip. Dip, whip. SEED, seed. Seed means bija. बीज होता है. FEED, feed. Feed means खाना खिलाना. है ना? So meet, feet, peel, feel, deep, whip, sit, fit. जो मैंने बोला ना बेटा, this all are rhyming word. MEET, meat. What will be the rhyming word? Feet. PEEL, peel. What will the rhyming word? Feel. See, मैंने जो word बनाया इसका meaning होना चाहिए. DEEP, deep. रोते हो? WEEP, whip. SEED, seed. What will be the rhyming word? FEED, fit. ये rhyming word था बेटा. You have to learn and write it in copy. देखो, राइट द, ये मैम ने क्या लिख दिया? RHY, राई. MING, मिंग. Rhyming words. Write the rhyming words. These all words have been taken from your book itself. ठीक है? आपके बुक से ही लिया गया है. मैंने ढूंढ के लिखा है. It include these all words are from your book itself. Come. NOON, noon. What will be its rhyming word? MOON, moon. POOL, pool. What will be its rhyming word? TOOL, tool. And FOOL, fool भी होगा, है ना? LOOT, loot. B-O-O-T, boot. M-E-E-T, meet. F-E-E-T, feet. P-E-E-L, peel. F-E-E-L, feel. D-E-E-P, deep. W-E-E-P, weep. S-E-E-T, sit. F-E-E-T, fed. देखो सबका जो एंडिंग साउंड था है ना, इन ऑल these words the ending sounds are similar. Noon, moon, pull, tool, full, lut, wood, meat, fit, peel, feed, dip, wait, sit, fit. ये आपको एटलीस्ट 3 times पढ़ना है बेटा. You have to read it. And one more thing बेटा, in English again I am telling you, in English you all students are in class 1. Your main focus should be on the reading section and writing section. Dear parents, please take care of your child. You should focus on the reading section. At least in class 1 they should be able to read a paragraph. Thank you.